Ooh, nay, wait. I took all the light from you. I was up here.
Oh yeah. Don't do
Okay. 3, 2, 1. What's up, GRELE gang? It's your girl Simply SISI, aka Sion GRELE, and today it's Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That was not it. That was the one. That's the one. Yep. Merry Christmas. And today we're gonna do a video where we try my followers' favorite holiday drink from Starbucks. Before we get into the video, I want to introduce everybody. This is Briah. You can follow her at
_Raya.baby.
This is Nay.
Oh yeah, baby girl 2A.
Okay, and this is Vanessa.
Follow me at Lovely Nessa with 2 L's in the middle.
Alright, so we're gonna get into the video
right?
and what? What I missed?
She did not say her Instagram.
I missed the whole
Oh, okay. Instagram. What's the Instagram?
It's baby girl with 2 names.
Okay.
Baby girl with 2
I'm
A's.
gonna just put it right
Boom.
there.
I had it.
Alright. Oh yeah.
You got
The 2 high ones in the corner.
You got a broad.
Alright. So the first drink we're gonna try is a grande chai caramel frap with oat milk.
Because I don't know.
With oat milk.
I think that's what it means.
Okay. So
Which
this
one
is
is that?
from my friend Jory. And it's
Okay,
This
Just that
one?
one? Yeah.
It's this little cute one right here with the little sprinkles and stuff or whatever. You see it? So we're gonna try this
Sprinkles.
one. You like
That's
sprinkles?
cinnamon.
Oh,
You
cinnamon.
see? No,
I
you
like
see it's
sprinkles.
sprinkles.
What? Yeah.
I see it. Okay, so now you can try. Okay.
I'm nervous.
Nay can do the honors.
Mmm.
Is that
I
a
like
good?
that. Hold on. Mmm.
You like that one?
Okay.
I wasn't mad at it.
She wasn't mad at it.
And I don't like oat milk.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't like it?
It tastes like gingerbread.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
That's not bad.
You took a big gulp.
Right?
I'm thirsty.
She been waiting for that.
Okay, I'll give it a 9.
Who was that?
Jory.
Jory. Okay.
Okay.
Jory.
8. I'm
Okay.
gonna give it an 8 because I ain't tried the rest. You know,
All right.
like them
Move
back.
your straw.
I give
My
it a
bad.
7.
Ooh, move your straw.
I'm
My
gonna give
bad.
it a 7.
Not for me.
No?
No, I'm gonna give it
You
a
should get a
7.
little stiff.
Oh, she was quick with it. She just.
Yeah.
She
You
ain't like that.
Anybody want this one?
Put it to the side.
Put it to the side.
Okay.
We'll wait till the
So the
end.
ones that we like, we're gonna put on the left. What is it? Swipe left? What is it when you like
I
something?
don't know.
I think it's swipe right.
Swipe right. Okay.
Okay.
The next drink is. We could do the toasted white chocolate mocha.
Ooh, I like that one.
Okay,
already.
so which
I
one
had
is that?
Um,
Did you get it hot or did you get it cold?
I don't know.
Oh my
I
god.
think it might be.
It said toasted, so don't that mean?
This is a caramel brulee.
Is it this one? I
This
think
is
it's
a
the hot
Thai
one.
chi. That's some Thai.
It's this
Why you
one.
got all Thai?
It's not one of these.
No,
Does it have
it's,
extra stuff
this
on
is
it?
this one.
I forgot. Okay, so this one is the toasted white mocha. You can't see it. Whatever.
Okay.
Is it hot?
It's warm. It's been sitting for a minute.
Not as been sitting for a
It's
minute.
been sitting. Tastes like hot chocolate.
I didn't like that.
It don't have no flavor to it.
Yeah. I don't know what that was.
Y'all didn't make it right. That's why.
Maybe you should have mixed it or something.
Me, I get like an extra 2 pumps of vanilla. No, yeah, 2 pumps of vanilla and 2 pumps of caramel. That should be smacking.
Okay.
Whoever requested that, y'all do it wrong. Try again next time.
Okay.
Damn.
It don't really taste like nothing.
Yeah.
Tastes like hot
It
chocolate.
just tastes like milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Warm milk.
All right.
Left.
I'll be okay. Okay, stay led. So the next one is iced chai tea latte with oat milk and pumpkin foam.
Oh, this one.
They starting off wrong. I don't like pumpkin. We black
pumpkin
people.
cold
We drink
foam is
sweet
bomb.
potatoes.
Not sweet
It's
potatoes.
a
Now we
sweet
drink
potato.
sweet potatoes.
Right?
We ain't
I
never
make-
had a drink.
I don't know. They need to start making sweet potatoes because that's nasty.
Okay. So that one is from Jasmine because she works at Starbucks. So this
Okay,
is-
Jasmine.
Okay.
So you work at me, so you better know. You better know some.
Okay. So let me see.
You don't like it?
I don't
Should
know.
you mix it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Get it?
I was gonna get a new straw. I'm sorry, y'all.
No, yeah.
It's okay. We're here now.
Yeah.
It's like they had to make it right because that's more popular.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I don't think I like
You're
pumpkin.
nasty. I don't want that in my mouth.
It's just milk. Do you like milky flavors? Or do you like the fruity type?
They didn't make this right.
It's nasty.
They didn't make it
It's
right.
because it's Christmas. We got it today, and the guy was like, "Why'd y'all come?" Huh?
He was like, "It's busy. Y'all should have came last week, sir."
He said we should have filmed the video earlier in the week. I said no, we film it on Christmas. Oh, that's left. We don't like this one.
What the hell no.
Okay.
That's
Did
what
you
I'm
like
sorry.
it? If you
Did
like
No, I didn't like it. That's why I didn't say nothing. Okay.
She said, I'm gonna let y'all tell them it's nasty.
You're
Yeah,
trying
like I don't want to.
Just trying to stay neutral.
Yeah. Okay, so the next one is
Be honest.
again from Jasmine. It's an ice toasted white mocha with oat milk and sugar cookie foam.
Okay.
That don't
Okay,
sound
I
bad.
got a little faith in you on
Okay,
this
I'll let you
one.
try it first.
Which one is that?
Is it this one? I think it's this one.
Is this one?
Yeah, because it got the foam at the
Let me
top.
open it.
Okay. Ooh, Jesus.
Let me open it.
Why the foam look? Okay.
Because sweet, it's like, I don't know, it's like
No more from Jasmine.
No!
Okay, I'm gonna give me a different straw.
We're about to see.
Okay. All right, let's try it.
Okay. Ooh.
You nervous?
Okay, this one was good.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
That's the sugar cookie foam.
Ew.
Okay. It ain't bad.
Okay.
I wouldn't order it.
I
She
would.
didn't order it.
Add some caramel to that one. I drink it.
Ooh, that sounds good, actually.
Okay, yeah. It's cool. I just want to go to the right.
Oh, this one good. Your phone okay?
Yeah, it's fine. We go through hell and back every day.
Okay, Jasmine, you redeemed yourself.
You did.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because that other one, hell no.
Wasn't it?
Okay, so now the rest, I think that's my favorite and that's Vanessa's favorite. And then this one, the guy recommended.
Okay.
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 So
So,
let's do.
the one he recommended?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
She ain't started the testing yet.
Oh. Yeah, take a start.
This is the chestnut praline latte.
It felt right. We was doing the other one.
Mm-mm.
You didn't like that?
It tastes like nothing.
I just know I'm not gonna like it.
The toppings is good though. Like, get you some toppings.
It's watery. I just have to do a small taste.
The only one who's gonna stir.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna give little man a try.
Mm-mm.
Oh no.
It
I
tastes
just
like
knew it was
nothing.
watery.
Coffee. Tastes like coffee. I don't even want to lick my straw. I don't want it. Oh no.
No.
Yeah, we're just
Okay.
gonna put that right
And I'm
there.
mad because it looked like it was gonna be.
It
good.
looked like it was gonna be fire.
We're gonna try mine. Okay, so this is my favorite. It's a iced chai tea latte with 2 pumps of pumpkin and 1 pump of vanilla.
They do not like the pumpkin.
And Deja's the one that put me on.
Why are you nervous?
Pass it that way. First.
Yeah, oh god.
Mix it at the bottom.
Y'all don't like pumpkin?
Okay, let's give it a stir. Okay. I trust you.
Okay. I'm telling you, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's pumpkin.
It's not for them.
No name?
I wouldn't buy it.
That wasn't the one.
I wouldn't buy it. It's not nasty, but I would not
The
buy it.
disrespect, Raya.
CC, you can't
It's for mine now.
Hey, okay, so this
This is my favorite.
is the last one.
Period.
I want to try it first.
What is it?
Okay, so what is it? Explain.
So it's an iced caramel brulee latte.
okay.
with oat milk.
Brulee.
Brulee.
Okay.
It must
She
be
took a
good.
good drink.
Right?
A good drink.
It was
What you
good.
think?
It's okay. I like mine better.
Favoritism.
Like you tasting like you. Go ahead, Miss Nay.
Okay.
You fucking ugly.
She rolled her eyes.
Eyes. Damn.
Coffee. Straight coffee.
Alright, bro. What did y'all expect?
Wait, do y'all drink coffee?
I do, but I drink sweet coffee. Like
yeah.
I make it sweet.
You
Could have added a little something.
Yeah,
something,
it
Okay,
Give me a
so
little something.
Well, my favorite one. This is the one I want.
the first one.
And I want this one.
Okay, so y'all can have it.
What is this?
Y'all can keep
The
it.
try something.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess,
the girl who redeemed herself, who did that.
Okay,
that was the
have
first
that. And then
one.
I guess I'll take mine.
Oh yeah.
No, yours right there.
And then
Can you
Vanessa
pass me
take
mine?
hers. Okay, so like we all got one. How beautiful.
This the one.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, Merry Christmas. Cheers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications. And see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Okay.
Woo.